Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the founder and director of Goldman and Associates. Our firm specializes, of course, family law with subspecialties in criminal and injury work as well. If you have any legal matters that fall into our specialties, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out. We perform this video series so that you'll have this information. Please subscribe to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about who gets the marital home in a divorce. Well, it's a very interesting issue. The marital home as such is not special. It's not like we divide up things however we divide, but the marital home goes here or there. It's not how it works. The marital home, which is part of the marital estate, marital property, is going to be subject to division in the marital estate in the divorce. It doesn't mean husband will get it. It doesn't mean wife will get it. It means we're going to take it into account and determine who gets it or its value. If the home has an equity of $100,000 and it's a marital property, the presumption is $50,000 belongs to husband, $50,000 belongs to wife. So who's going to get it? Well, we got options. We can sell it and just split the money. That's an easy way to do it. It gets more complicated though, because sometimes there are sentimental reasons why you want to keep your house. Sometimes you want to keep your house because the kids are in a school system and you want them to be able to continue. They have their friends in the neighborhood. You want them to be able to continue that. So what happens if selling and splitting is not an option? Well, if that happens, we can still determine the value, and one person can keep their share and pay that value to the other person so that the other person gets their equity in the house without actually selling it. It does become problematic if there aren't resources available to buy the other person out. What we look to is, can it be refinanced? Is there another way to pay it? Can we pay it over time? Sometimes we look at that. Sometimes one person will keep the house and take less of a different asset, or perhaps take more of the debts and liabilities in order to defray the fact that they have kept the 100% of the marital home and not paid 50% of that equity to the other person. So my point is, there are ways to do this. Skilled lawyers will be able to give you guidance on how it should be done. And of course, the guidance has to do with, number one, should we keep the house in the first place? And if we are, how do we pay for it and how do we make it equitable so that the court will ultimately approve that resolution? If you have any questions about that, of course, reach out and give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you out. If there's an emergency issue or something that has to be done on an emergent basis, you don't feel that you want to trust that to an email or for that process, call today, and we'll be glad to consult with you ASAP.